Hi guys! Today I will show you how to use SQLmap to make a database extraction. SQLmap is really powerful for SQL injections tests, but mostly because it is automated. So yes, let's get started. First, the dash help can help you getting options such as dashu that is used for targeting URL and -dbs and else parameter that are useful. We see that I already did the scan, so it was fast. But we can see the database's names, and we will be using the one called John XXII new for the video. So copy the database name, and we will be replacing the -dbs with $D following by the database name and -tables. Then let's rerun it. Here are the tables inside the targeted database, so I will be choosing the one called tbl_admin to proceed because tables including words such as admin have for the most of time admin informations like the admin usernames and passwords. Replace -tables by $T and followed by -dump to dump the table's content. Once finished, you'll have successfully finished the database extraction. Thanks for watching this video, and you can click on the screen to see another one. Bye.